Hello everyone, this is Specky Foodie. Today's menu will be Thai Sauce Beancurd. Super easy and super fast. So try it and let me know how it tastes. And it's cooking time. Here's the ingredients you will need. Let's prepare the beancurd. Cut the beancurd into cubes of your choice. Dry the tofu. Alright, this is a very important step for your safety. When beancurd is wet, they like to splash oil. And I mean they really splash. So make sure you dry the beancurd as much as possible. And for the cucumber, cut it into 1/3 and then cut it into half. Take out the core using a teaspoon. Then you julienne cut them. That's all for the preparation, and the cooking starts now. At medium heat, add in around 3 cups of oil. Use a spatula and put in the oil. So when you see the bubbles is forming, add in the beancurd. Be very careful of the splashing oil, and you might want to use a pan cover for protection. You can see the bubbles in the oil. This means that there is a lot of water still in the beancurd. But don't worry, the bubbles will slowly go down when the water evaporates. Try to move them around to fry all the sides. So if you like my video, remember to click on the like button and help to share our video. Thank you very much. Once it's golden brown, it's done. That's all for the cooking. And for the plating, place the beancurd on the plate and put the cucumbers on top. And then you can prepare your sauce. Prepare a bowl with 3 tablespoons of Thai chili sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of hot water and mix. That's the sauce you will need. Pour the sauce which you have prepared and it's done. Let's eat.